So that's how the fan looks like, and here's the remote. Basically I can adjust the speeds. For example, I press the 6 speed, and how you can see it's getting faster and faster. It doesn't make too much noise compared to other fans, and it looks at the same time good. And here's the different other modes that I can set up. I can choose, for example, speed 1, and it's gonna slow down little by little. And that's how the lights on looks like. So I can turn on the lights from the remote as well, and it looks really pretty.